Hello viewers, this is Roshmi from Roshmi's Boutique of Kolkata. From the thumbnail, you can easily understand today's episode is based on blouses, ready blouses. So let's start. Blouse number 1, pure cotton material, sleeveless. Blouse number 1, price is 750 with collar, with lining, and the size is 38, but you can make it 42. You can make it 40 and also 42. Pure cotton material. This is blouse number 1. Blouse number 2, same material with different color combination. See, this is the front portion. Blouse number 2, price is 750. Number 2, front portion. This is the back portion with lining with collar. And the size of all the blouses is 38, but you can make it from 38 to 42. 750. For booking, please take a screenshot or mention the blouse number. Blouse number 3. Another blouse number 3. See, this is also with lining, sleeveless. Size is 38. Price is 750. For booking, please take a screenshot. And booking number is 9308666384. Blouse number 4. This is pure ikat material. Front portion, blue color. Pure ikat material with lining. Price 750. Price is 750. Blouse number 4. Front portion, this is back portion. Blouse number 5. Another ikat material, green with yellow combination, front portion, size is 38 and price is 750. Blouse number 5. For booking, please take a screenshot or mention the blouse number. Here is the back portion. Next one, another ikat material, blouse number 6. Blouse number 6, yellow with red and black combination. This is front portion. Here is the front portion, this is the sleeves, this is the back portion. Blouse number 6, price 750, size 38. All the blouses are of 38 size, but you can make it till 42. This is blouse number 7. Front portion, this is peach color, orangish peach color, ikat material, cotton. These all blouses are of pure cotton. With lining, price is 750. Another ikat material, this is maroon color, deep maroon color. See, here is the front portion. This is the front portion, this is the back portion, price 750, blouse number 8. Blouse number 9. Blouse number 9, another ikat material, front portion. This is the back portion. Blouse number 9, price is 750. Here is the sleeves and size is 38. Now I will go with Ajrak print, which is number 10. Here is the front portion. See the front portion, pure Ajrak material, cotton Ajrak blouses. Many of you have taken this sort of blouses. This is Ajrak material. Price is 750. Price 750. Another one, black, number 11. Price 750. Black one, number 11. Price 750. Front portion. This is back portion. Viewers, if you like the program, please share with your friends, relatives, and subscribe. And definitely press the bell icon to get the notification of my next episode. Another one, this is also Ajrak material, pure Ajrak material with lining, 38 size, front portion. Here is the back portion. Blouse number 12. Please mention the blouse number also. For booking, mention the blouse number, or otherwise you can send me the screenshot. Blouse number 13. This is the front portion. Here is the front portion. This is the back portion, pure Ajrak cotton blouse with lining, and the price is 750. Price is 750. Sizes are 38. You can make it 42 till 42. This is blouse number 14. Ajrak material but mix and match. Ajrak material, mix and match. This is the front portion. Sorry. Yes, it is the front portion. Ajrak material, mix and match, front portion. Here is the back portion. This is the back portion. See the sleeves. Mix and match, Ajrak material. Blouse number 14, price is 850. This is also with lining, 850. Now blouse number 15. Blouse number 15, front portion. Front portion. Here is the sleeves. This is the back portion. Here is the back portion. Price 850. Another one. Blouse number 16. Blouse number 16, front portion. Front portion, this is the back portion. Here is the back portion, this is the sleeves. Price 850. These all are Ajrak mix and match. Another mix and match, blouse number 17. Blouse number 17. Here is the front portion. This is the front portion. Here is the back portion. This is the sleeves. Price 850. Another piece, blouse number 18. This is also mix and match, Ajrak mix and match. Blouse number 18. Here is the sleeves. This is front portion and here is the back portion. For booking, please take a screenshot or mention the blouse number. This is long length Ajrak with Ikkat with Hakoba. This is also mix and match. Blouse number 19, price 850. This is the sleeves. Here is the sleeves. This portion is Hakoba and the base material is Ikkat, black color Ikkat material. Cotton blouse with lining. Price is 850. It is of long length. Now I will show you some Hakoba blouses. Blouse number 20. Blouse number 20, pure Hakoba material with embroidery. Price 1050. Front portion, back portion. Blouse number 21, same. It was with red. This one, the piping is with maroon. And the Hakoba design is different. This is blouse number 21. Price is 1050. For booking, please take a screenshot. You have to pay through Google Pay or internet banking or debit and credit card as well. And I will send you the blouses through courier, through DTDC courier. This is the front portion, another blouse. Hakoba is the upper portion is Hakoba. This material, this portion is pure cotton. And this is blouse number 22. This is blouse number 22. Price is 900. So this is the back portion. It will be the front portion. It will be the front portion. Next one, blouse number 23. Blouse number 23. This is also a mix match. Front portion. And this is the back portion. 23, back portion. Here is the back portion. Price is 950. Blouse number 24. 24, grey with black. Front, these all are cotton blouses. Blouse number 24, price is 850. Price is 850. Front portion, this is the sleeves and here is the back portion. These all are cotton blouses, pure cotton blouses. Back portion, price is 850. Blouse number 24. Now blouse number 25. Blouse number 25, I will show you first the back portion. Here is the back portion. See the back portion. Blouse number 25, 1050. This is the front portion and here is the sleeves. This is the sleeves. Blouse number 25, price is 1050. Blouse number 26, a cotton Katha blouse, front portion. Here is the front portion. white color front portion, kantha, pure kantha blouse. This kantha work has been done on the sleeves also, white color. This is the back portion. Blouse number 26, price is 1200. Price is 1200. These all are cotton material, pure cotton material. This is blouse number 27. Blouse number 27, front portion, and here is the back portion, 1150. This is the back portion with batik work, pure cotton material. Price is 1150. Now blouse number 28. Blouse number 28 of white with work, with embroidery work, machine embroidery. This is the front portion. Here is the back portion. Blouse number 28. Price is 950. Price is 950. Blouse number 29. Blouse number 29. Here is the front portion. This is the front portion. This is also white color. Earlier one was off-white, but this one is milk white with embroidery work. See the embroidery work. Blouse number 29. Price is 1050. Now I will show you some silk blouses with kantha work. 29, it is 30. See, this is blouse number 30. This is the sleeves. Here is the sleeves with full kantha work, and the base material is pure silk. This is pure silk with lining. Pure silk material with lining, and the price of this blouse is 2150. See, this is the front portion and here is the back portion. This is the back portion with long sleeves, and the price is 2150. Base material is silk. I have the same blouse. This blouse is of 40 size. See, this is the back portion. This is the back portion. This is the sleeves. Kantha work on silk material, full kantha work, and the price is same, 2150. This is the back portion. I will show you again. This is the back portion, and here is the front portion. This is the front portion. Silk material with lining. Price is 2150. Another one. See, this is blouse number 32, red color. Red color, blouse number 32. Price is same, 2150. Here is the sleeves, and this is the back portion. This one is of 40 size. 40 size, but you can increase it also. And the length is long length. See, here is a cut. Now next, blouse number. This is blouse number 33. Blouse number 33. Here is the back portion, front portion. See the front portion, black color, and this is the back portion. This is the back portion. Here is the sleeves. Price is same, 3150. For booking, please take a screenshot or mention the blouse number. This is blouse number 33, 2150. Now next one, blouse number 34, 2150. Green color. See, this is green color, kantha stitch. On the base material is silk. The base material is silk. All are 3/4. Long sleeves, front portion, and this is the back portion. Blouse number 34. This is also 2150. So viewers, I have shown you 34 blouses. If you like, please share with your friends, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of my next episode. You have to pay through Google Pay or internet banking. I will send you the product through courier and through DTDC courier, and courier charges or shipping charges is applicable for blouses. So booking number is 9330866384.